In October, Nikcarl Skate introduced an exciting sport, a sport mixing skating and handball with a ball, roll ball.
Okay, stop. Throwing. Good. Nice. Intercept.
Through roll ball, children will learn how to work together, follow mutually agreed upon rules, and socialize in groups.
Well done.
One, guys. One more point and you're back in the game.
Our goal for this activity is to encourage teamwork, trigger creativity, develop and improve social skills. With assessment and effective teaching, our skills-led lessons can help equip children with the necessary skating skills needed for rollball. Since the past few months, we have helped children graduate from beginner to an intermediate skating level, an achievement that we are extremely proud of. Thank you for watching.